what we were discussing about, I think we were discussing about nucleus, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what did you
Yes,
know
sir.
about nucleus? They carry hereditary materials, right? Which is called chromosome, and chromosomes are made up of what? DNA.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
DNA.
Sir, what?
Can you tell me the full form of DNA?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Okay, deoxyribonucleic acid. Correct. And the functional part of DNA is called what? Aisha?
Gene.
Gene.
Okay. Now see, can you see this? Nucleus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is called
Yes, sir.
nuclear membrane. If you can imagine, there was nuclear pore present in it. I'm showing a big pore, but the pore are very small. The pores are very small, okay? The pores are very small. And this is called nuclear envelope. I had written, right?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is nuclear
sir.
envelope.
Yes,
This is
sir.
pore. Okay. And this is nucleolus, right? Or the chromatin fibers, correct?
Yes, sir.
This structure
Yes,
is
sir.
called nuclear membrane. This is called nuclear membrane. Or simply you can say nuclear envelope plus nuclear pore. They together known as nuclear membrane. They are called as,
Nuclear membrane.
that's right.
Nuclear
They are called
membrane.
as nuclear membrane. Suppose nuclear envelope. This is nuclear envelope. This is nuclear pore. Okay. So they together known as what? They together known as nuclear envelope. Okay. So on the basis of nuclear envelope or nucleus, there are two types of cells. There are how many types of cells?
Two types.
Two
Yes,
types
of cell.
on the basis of nuclear membrane or nucleus. Let's see. First is prokaryotes and second is eukaryotes.
Prokaryote.
Have you heard this name before?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
there's a
sir.
difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes.
Eukaryotes are true kernel in Greek, which is known as well-defined nucleus. And prokaryotes have before kernel, they don't have well-defined nucleus.
Okay. How many of you are aware of word karyo? Karyo means what? Karyo means nucleus. Karyo means
Nucleus.
karyo means nucleus.
Yes.
What is the meaning
Nucleus.
of pro? Pro means primitive. Pro means
Primitive.
primitive. And
Primitive.
what about you? The meaning of you is true. The meaning of you is true. Okay. Are you getting it or not? So, suppose I am putting you here. That means true nucleus. The meaning of eukaryote is eukaryote. That is true nucleus. The cell which are having true nucleus. Are you getting it? The cells
Yes,
which
sir.
are having true nucleus are called eukaryotes. The cells which are having primitive type of nucleus. Okay, the primitive type of nucleus. Eukaryotes have the modified types of nucleus. Okay, next generation nucleus, but they are primitive type of nucleus. They are called prokaryotes. Okay. Now we will discuss about the differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So let's make a list. First of all, define eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Can you define it in your notebook? Can you do that? Or I will have to write about it. Can I write or you will write yourself?
Yes, sir. We will write ourselves.
Okay. So what will be the difference? Basic difference for the definition. From the definition, prokaryotes are the organism which have primitive type of nucleus. So those nucleus will not have any kind of nuclear membrane. Okay, they will lack nuclear membrane. While what about eukaryotes? eukaryotes are having true nucleus. That means they are having nuclear membrane. They will have nuclear membrane. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
see
sir.
the
Yes,
difference
sir.
between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Let's make this. Prokaryotes. So first, prokaryotes are generally very small. Okay, the cells of prokaryotes are generally very small. Okay, they are nearly 1 to 10 micrometer. That is micron. What about eukaryotes? They are generally large. That is, they are 5 to 500 micrometer. Okay, so size. Let's write about it. Generally small. Who has left the meeting? This symbol is called as Khushi. Can you tell me? This symbol is Aisha, Aditya,
Micrometer.
yeah, micrometer. But this symbol, do you know the symbol? If you don't know, try to ask. Okay, just don't skip it. If you don't understand anything, please ask. That sir, I did not get. What is this? How should I pronunciate it? This is called mu. This is the sign of mu. The sign mu. Okay,
Mu.
which is what you call
Yes.
the sign.
Pi.
So this is
Pi.
I.
mu. What you call this sign? Theta. What do you call this sign? Pi. Correct. What you call this sign? Delta. What you call this sign? Sigma. What you call this sign? Lambda. What you call this sign? Gamma. And this is alpha. This is beta. Correct. So try to ask. If you don't understand anything, just ask. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is mu. Okay. So generally 5 to 500 micrometer. Micrometer. Okay. So the nuclear region is defined or not? Prokaryotes. In prokaryotes, the nuclear region is not well defined. Okay, and they are also not surrounded. But what about eukaryotes? They are well defined. They are covered with nuclear membrane. Correct. See the difference in it. This is prokaryote. The nuclear membrane is something like this. Nucleus. This is nucleus. So you cannot define that nucleus is found only up to this, up to this, up to this. It may be up to this, it may be up to this, anything. But what about eukaryotes? There is well-defined nuclear membrane. So you will say that nucleus will be present inside the nuclear membrane, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What you will say that nucleus will be found inside the nuclear membrane. It cannot be found outside the nuclear membrane. But there is no surroundings, no nuclear membrane, so it can be found here, it can be found here, it can be found here. So it is not well defined and it is not surrounded. It is well defined and it is also surrounded. Correct? Let's say nuclear region. Not well defined and not surrounded by nuclear membrane. And no nuclear membrane. Directly write no nuclear membrane. Okay. This new. Okay. Let's. We will write later. Well defined. Well defined. With nuclear membrane. Correct. This type of nucleus is called nucleoids. This is called nucleoids or recipient nucleus. Okay. So this is called, this type of nucleus is called, directly write, this is called nucleoid. This is called nucleoid. Cell is not called nuclei. The nucleus is called nucleoid. Okay, and this is called nucleus. Written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I remove this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know, prokaryotes have single chromosome. But what about eukaryotes? They have more than one chromosome. Chromosome. What? Any problem? Anyone? Huh?
No, sir.
Now prokaryotes. Okay, how many of you are aware of cell organelles? How many of you are aware of this term? Cell organelles.
Sir, we don't know.
Okay,
Don't know.
let's see. Have you heard about organs? They perform different activities, they perform different functions in our body, right? And they all have a specific functions, like digestive systems have digestive, like stomach has the function of digestion, right? Small intestine has the function of digestion as well as absorption, correct? Correct.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Bones are having the function to give structural support to the body, correct? And helps in locomotion
Yes.
and movement, correct?
Yes, sir.
What about brain to control all the activities, right? And memory.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Same way,
Yes, sir.
in the same way, a cell have different organs. What organs? Cell have different organs. Suppose a cell wants to perform all the activities. What it needs to do? It must have different organs, right? Right. Like our body
Yes,
is
sir.
having. So the different organs present in cell are called organelles. They are called organelles. Okay. Okay. The different parts present in our body is called organs. The different parts perform the different activities inside the cell is called organelles. Are you getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
some cell organelles have the organelles that are covered, that are having membrane bound, that are bounded with a structure. But some are having the organelles which are not bounded. Okay. So those type of cells are called prokaryotes. Prokaryotes, which are membrane bound. Membrane bound cell organelles are absent, which are having membrane bound cell organelles absent. Okay, we will discuss it later. Like, have you heard about endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
heard these names?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Organelles.
Yes, sir.
They are called cell organelles. Okay, okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Apparatus, mitochondria, right? So if they are surrounded with a layer, then it is called membrane-bound cell organelle. If it is not surrounded, then it is called they are not surrounded simply. And the not surrounded organelles are found in prokaryotes, and the surrounded cell organelles are found in.
Eukaryote.
Yes.
Membrane-bound cell organelles absent, while in eukaryotes they are present. Okay. Now let's talk about cytoplasm. We have discussed about plasma membrane, correct? We have discussed about nucleus. Now we will discuss about cytoplasm. We will discuss about cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
So what is cytoplasm? Try to recall. The fluid which was present inside the cell, fluid matrix, okay, other than nucleus is called cytoplasm, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So right, that's right. The fluid matrix which is present in a cell other than nucleus, which is present in a cell other than nucleus is called cytoplasm. Okay, it's called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm have different cell organelles present in them, right? Cytoplasm have
Yes,
different cell organelles present in them. The main four is endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus or Golgi body, okay, lysosome and mitochondria. Correct? If we talk about plants, then mitochondria is replaced by plastids, and one more added is called vacuoles. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yes,
Let's write about it. It has
Yes,
important.
sir.
What? What happened? First is ER. Endoplasmic is included in smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, because we know that endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So let's write in general context ER. What you need to write? Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Second is Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. Golgi body is named on a scientist called Camillo Golgi, okay, who was from Italy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And how did he find Golgi body? You know that. The story is very interesting. When he was studying a dead cat, वो एक मरा हुआ बिल्ली के ऊपर स्टडी कर रहा था, है ना? तो वो लेकर आया और उसके ब्रेन को निकाला, बिल्ली के ब्रेन को, ठीक है? और उसको जब उस ब्रेन को स्टडी कर रहा था माइक्रोस्कोप में, तब उसे ये मिला. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तुम लोग भी कुछ ऐसा करो. बहुत ही बड़ी. करना चाहते हो ऐसा? तुम लोग बिल्ली को देख के डरने वाले लोग हो, है ना?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes sir, no sir, yes sir, no sir. डर तो जरूर जाओगे. फोर्थ के बाद फिफ्थ यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. फोर्थ यहाँ पे है, फिफ्थ यहाँ पे लिखते हैं प्लास्टिड. सिक्स्थ इसके बाद लिख देंगे. वैक्यूल. Now I am going to draw a diagram of cell showing all these things. Okay, and will elaborate there. And how you will have to draw that cell diagram. Now you will come to know. Now I will give you the trick to draw the diagram, and no one will cut that diagram ever in the life. I'm just trying to draw diagram as good as I can. Draw as fast as we can, because only 7 minutes left. Or I can send you the photos if you want to.
So how you learn to make such a nice diagram?
Huh? And the line must be 9. Okay, there should be only 9 lines. 9 lines, 9 lines. Okay, correct. That's called centriole, and this is called centrosome. Mitochondria, this is SER, Golgi body, lysosome. Everything is there. This is cytoplasm, but don't put cytoplasm in this centroplasm. Okay. If you want to see, then we can also put RNA, ribosome. We can also put ribosome. We can also put ribosome. Okay, this is ribosome. Correct. Now let's label this diagram. This is animal cell. This is animal cell. We have only 4 minutes. This is they together called, they both are centriole. This is called centrosome, centroplasm. Okay, this is called centroplasm. This space is called centroplasm. Together they are known as centrosome. Together they are known as centrosome. This is mitochondria. I will also teach you to draw plant cell. Now this is nuclear. Let's draw this. This is nuclear envelope. This is nuclear envelope. Don't draw this diagram. Wait. Don't draw this diagram. You can take a screenshot, and after that you can draw. This is nuclear core. This is nuclear core. They together called nuclear membrane. This is nucleolus, which contains chromatin fiber. So they all together known as nucleus. They all together known as nucleus. This is SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. SER. Okay, this is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. SER. This is Golgi body. Golgi body. This is lysosome. These are matrix, or these are cytoplasm. This is RER, or rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. So the meeting is going to end. I will send you the photos. Okay. This is ribosome. I will send you the photos. Good night. Bye bye. This is ribosome. Okay, I will send you the photos. Okay. Okay, बच्चों. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Welcome.
sir.
Thank you,
Welcome.
sir.
Bye.